Finding blog post ideas with SEO opportunity scores is a great way to uncover topics that will boost your website's organic traffic and relevance. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do that, and I'll also tell you how you can try out my recommended SEO tool for free, exclusively for you as a viewer on my channel. Stick around because I've got something special at the end. Let's start by understanding what SEO opportunity scores are. These scores are a way to measure the potential of a keyword or topic to rank in search engines. They take into account things like search volume, competition, and current rankings. The higher the score, the better your chances of ranking for that keyword or blog post idea. To find blog post ideas with SEO opportunity scores, you need a good SEO tool. I've tried several popular tools, and after testing them, I recommend one that I'll show you how to use in just a minute. This tool makes it easy to find blog post topics with high SEO potential. Start by entering a general keyword related to your niche into the tool's keyword research feature. For example, if you're in the fitness industry, you might start with something broad like weight loss. The tool will then generate a list of related keyword ideas along with their SEO opportunity scores. You'll want to focus on keywords with a high opportunity score, but moderate competition. This means there's decent search volume, but you have a good chance of ranking. Once you've found some good keyword ideas, dive deeper into the content landscape. Look at the top ranking pages for those keywords to see what type of content is working. Are they blog posts, product pages, or guides? This can help you decide if you want to write a similar post or find a new angle. The best blog post ideas not only target high opportunity keywords, but also meet a specific need or question that hasn't been fully answered yet. Another key factor to consider is the click-through rate or CTR for those keywords. Some keywords may have low competition, but don't attract many clicks. You'll want to choose blog post topics with a solid opportunity score and good CTR potential. You can see this data within the SEO tool's keyword research feature, which will help guide your decision-making process. Now, the real secret is consistency. The more you repeat this process and refine your SEO opportunity score searches, the better you'll get at identifying high-impact blog post ideas. Use the opportunity scores to evaluate every potential topic before you start writing. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can access a PAM free trial of the SEO tool I'm recommending today. It's an exclusive offer just for viewers of my channel, so make sure to grab it through the link in the description below. This will give you the chance to follow along with exactly what I showed you today. Key takeaway. When searching for blog post ideas with SEO opportunity scores, focus on topics with high potential and moderate competition. Use SEO tools to get insights on search volume, competition, and CTR to make informed decisions. Be consistent, and with time, you'll be able to consistently find blog post topics that will bring organic traffic. To summarize, we've talked about 1. Understanding SEO opportunity scores. 2. Using SEO tools to find blog post ideas with high SEO potential. 3. Evaluating competition, search volume, and CTR. 4. Consistently repeating the process for better results. And don't forget, grab that exclusive free trial from the link in the description below if you want to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.